Hello friends, welcome to our channel focused on trading. Today's subject is about TradingView platform, a very easy to use and meanwhile most of its facilities are free. So keep watching, together we will see how to work with. Just don't forget to subscribe to the channel please if you are new. This is the starting window of TradingView. 4 ribbons we have: top ribbon, bottom ribbon, left and finally a right ribbon. First I want to start from the top ribbon. Through this icon, you can search your favorite symbol. By clicking on, this window appears. If you select all, means that no matter what are you searching for, stocks, forex, bonds or whatever, the search engine will find your symbol among all of these existing here. But by choosing each of these items here, you specialize your search. For example, by choosing Forex, all search results will be among Forex symbols. If you need to select a specific country or broker, then click on all resources right here. Through this, you can choose the country and your favorite broker. The next item is time. Seconds, minutes, hours, days, all we can use. For adding and defining new time frame, you need to pay some dollars and upgrading your TradingView. I don't recommend it for beginners because all required time frames exist and you can use. Next item is chart type show. Bars, candles, hollow candles or line. Which one meets your trading requirement, you can choose that. Candle is what most of the traders pick out. Next to chart type show, there is indicators item. Through which you can choose any type of indicator, trend, oscillator or volume, and plot on the chart. Or even by clicking on this hollow star that turns into yellow, and you can add it to your favorite indicator list. There are pre-prepared templates on TradingView that you can use just by choosing this item. And if you want to save your own created template easily by clicking Save Indicator Template, you can have your template ready and available to use. The next item is about how to create an alert. In a separate video I have talked about before in details. I put its link above on the right corner and I recommend you to watch it. Bar replay again is for the premium version of TradingView. Through that, you can cut a specified part of the chart and then after analyzing, you can play the chart and compare your analyze with the real price changes. These two signs are redo and undo scrolls. If you make some changes to the chart and you want to get some steps back before making changes, you can use undo scroll. In premium version of TradingView, we can have up to 8 charts all in one window. The ones who are interested in such capability and want to use multiple charts simultaneously, first of all, a bigger monitor is needed because usually we look at the chart in details and as a result a big screen is required. Before closing TradingView window, easily you can save your chart and pick a name for it. Or if you have a chart saved before, by clicking on Load Chart Layout, you can load your saved chart. Chart setting is important, let me explain it in the last. Next item in the list of up ribbon is full screen. Full screen mode, which by clicking on full screen being activated and just by pressing Escape key on your keyboard, you can exit this mode. By this icon, simply you can take a snapshot of your layout. If you want to share your idea or analysis with others by clicking on Publish, you can share it on TradingView website. Just pay attention that you need to sign up on TradingView website to share and publish your ideas. Moreover, you can also record your idea and publish it. The last item of up ribbon, which is somehow important and I call it personalization, is chart setting, which including 6 parts. Part number 1, symbol. By checking the first one, the bar's color will change according to the previous bar close. For example, if the close of the current bar is above the close of the previous candle, then the color will be green, otherwise the color is red. By unchecking it, the bar color will change according to the open and close of the current candle. Next item shows the body of the bar. Borders and wick are clear. Last price line shows the last price. Previous day close is again clear. The next item, high, low and average price lines. For example, the chart within the window shows a specific time of 6 months. By checking this item, the low, high and average price lines will be shown during this period. The three remains are clear and I don't take time on them. Let's move to second part. Status line. Symbol can be shown in 3 conditions, or by unchecking, nothing will be displayed. By choosing ticker and description, both the symbol and its name will be shown, and the other information are the same in both cases. By checking OHLS, open, high, low and close of each candle, by moving cursor on, will be displayed next to the symbol description. Bar change value shows the changes of the bars in both percent and number. The third part, scales. By checking symbol name label, it will be shown next to the last price line. The symbol last price label shows the value. The next 2 items show the values. By checking no overlapping labels, the values will be shown above and below each other. Countdown to bar close shows the time in the specific period to close of the bar. The remaining items are clear. Let's move to the next part of the chart settings. Appearance. Through these settings, you can determine the color for background and also vertical and horizontal grid lines. By checking the watermark, the symbol and its name will be displayed on the chart, and you can change its color. The next part is trading. By checking sell and buy buttons, the values of bid and ask will appear on the chart below the description. If you have your broker linked to the TradingView, you can use these buttons. The remaining items can be used when the broker being linked to the TradingView platform. And the last part of the chart settings is event, which by checking will be shown up down on the chart. Finally, you can save your settings here. Thanks for taking your time on this video. Stay tuned for next part, and before leaving, drop a like on the video and hit the bell notification on to get informed of next parts when being uploaded. Have a good time. See you soon.